This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Sherman. Main level includes living/dining room, kitchen and half bath. Upstairs you will find 2 bedrooms, full bath and laundry area. The appliances stay with this home. Refrigerator and range were new within the last 5 years. New water heater in 2018, new carpet and vinyl in main level in October 2020. Monthly POA dues $69.26, THA dues $85 which includes grounds maintenance and garbage pickup. Great opportunity in a convenient area of Hot Springs Village near golf, outdoor swimming pool, restaurants and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherman at 501-922-8277.